folks, this is Sai Krishna. You are watching Tech by Kittu. Today we discuss about best budget gaming phones under 20,000. Let's see from lowest price. In this list, number 1 gaming phone in the lowest price, Realme C3. This is the best budget gaming phone at the price of 7,500 rupees. Its octa-core Helio G70 processor and Hyper-Engine technology make going as well as multitasking effortless to offer you a seamless smartphone. And it has a 5000 mAh battery, dual rear camera, Full HD Plus displays, excellent design. And finally, it comes with a Realme UI. And second best budget gaming smartphone, Vivo U10 at the price of 8,999. The U10 from Vivo is equipped with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 octa-core processor. This processor is clocked up to 2 GHz processor. This U10 comes with 18 watts fast charging with 5000 mAh capacitive battery, and it comes with IPS LCD HD Plus display. This mobile comes with Ultra Gaming mode. It comes with the triple rear camera, 8 megapixel selfie camera. At this price, they include the fingerprint sensor also. Number 3, Realme 5i at the price of 8,999. This mobile processor also equipped with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 octa-core processor. This processor is clocked up to 2 GHz processor. This mobile comes with AI quad camera, 12 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel wide angle camera, 2 megapixel micro camera, 2 megapixel depth sensor, then 8 megapixel selfie camera. This mobile also comes with the Full HD Plus IPS LCD display. Number 4, Vivo U20 at the price of 9,999. The Vivo U20 smartphone comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 octa-core processor with up to 6GB RAM and 64GB internal memory, expandable up to 256GB, and UFS 2.1 storage. It has massive 5000 mAh battery with 18W fast charging, 16 megapixel, 8 megapixel, 2 megapixel AIEEE rear camera with Sony IMX499 sensor, 16 megapixel selfie camera. This mobile is all-rounder phone. Fifth place, Redmi Note 7 Pro at the price of 9,999. It's time to go big with the Redmi Note 7 Pro. Full HD Plus dot-notch display, powered by a 2 GHz Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 processor and 4GB of RAM. This smartphone lets you experience the next level of performance and control with a 48MP megapixel plus 5 megapixel dual rear camera, a 13MP front megapixel camera, and features such as face unlock and 4K video recording. The Redmi Note 7 Pro truly puts a new spin on your smartphone experience. This is the best gaming phone at this budget, and it supports a AR blaster also. Number 6, Lenovo K10 Note at the price of 9,999. Enjoy gaming and entertainment on this smartphone as it is powered by the Snapdragon 710 processor. Enjoy uninterrupted gaming, browsing and more with this phone without worrying about the charge remaining thanks to its high capacity 4050 mAh battery. Capture wonderful snapshots with the help of this smartphone's AI triple lens camera, 16 megapixel main camera, 5 megapixel depth sensor, 8 megapixel wide angle camera. Next, 7th place, Realme 3 Pro at the price of 10,000. This mobile comes with 10nm processor which comes with a clock speed of up to 2.2 GHz and 6GB of RAM. Make every task seem like a breeze. The multi-core AI engine and Adreno 616 GPU give you a seamless gaming experience. Even for graphics heavy games, it comes with a VOOC Flash Charge 3.0. Number 8, Vivo Z1 Pro at the price of 11,000. Vivo Z1 Pro, powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 712 AIE processor and 6GB of RAM. This phone can handle any task seamlessly. The advanced 10nm design, a clock speed of 2.3 GHz and Adreno 616 graphic processor unit let you game and multitask easily. Housing a 5000 mAh battery, this phone has enough juice to let you complete multitask in one sitting. The 18W fast charger power-ups your phone in on time. Also, it supports the OTG reverse charging function, making charging hassle-free. The triple rear camera setup comprising a 16 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel super wide angle camera and 2 megapixel depth sensor. This mobile completely gaming smartphone. The feature comprises a net turbo, center turbo, AI turbo and cooling turbo functions. It has 32 megapixel in-display front camera. This is my best suggestion for you all need for gaming lovers. Number 9. Realme 5 Pro at the price of 12,000 rupees. This phone powered by a 10nm octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 712 AI processor. This phone can seamlessly execute any task. You can game more and multitask without experiencing any lag. Experience a boost in performance and efficiency with this phone. You can capture incredible details with the 48MP Sony IMX586 primary lens. And it comes with a 16MP front camera. It comes with a 16cm Full HD Plus mini drop display. Number 10. Vivo Z1X at the price of 14,000. In this phone you can play graphics, rich games, switch between apps, text to your loved ones and do much more with Z1X. As it is, it comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 712 AI processor, Adreno 616 GPU and 4GB of RAM. This phone comes with 48MP AI triple rear camera. This rear camera system and Sony IMX582 sensor let you capture more of what you see. It comes with a 32MP selfie camera also. The Z1X comes with the 22.5W Vivo flash charge technology. With the just 5 minutes of charging time, you will get up to 3 hours of talk time. This mobile also comes with the Vivo Multi Turbo. 11th position, Realme 6 and Redmi Note 8 Pro at the price of 14,000. This mobile comes with the wonder specifications at this price. It comes with a 90Hz ultra smooth display. This mobile powered by the Helio G90T processor, super fast RAM and powerful AI. The Realme 6 truly takes your gaming experience to the next level. This mobile having the Hyper Boost. Get blown away by the full frame gaming speed provided by the Hyper Boost feature, which further enhances your gaming experience. The Redmi Note 8 Pro also comes with the same processor, but the specifications is less compared with the Realme 6. It comes with a 64MP main camera, 8MP wide angle camera and 4500 mAh battery capacity. Number 13. Redmi Note 9 Pro at the price of 15,000. This mobile comes with the latest processor, Snapdragon 720G 8nm octa-core processor. This mobile comes with 48MP rear camera with ultra-wide super macro portrait night mode, 965fps slow motion, AI scene recognition, pro color HDR pro mode, 30MP facing camera, 16.9418cm, Full HD plus full screen dot display, LCD multi-touch capacitive touchscreen. 14th position, Realme 6 Pro at the price of 17,000. This mobile also comes with the Snapdragon 720G processor, but the price is too high. But the specifications also high. Anybody spends 2,000 more rupees, you can purchase this mobile also. Finally, Poco F2 at the price of 15,000. This mobile is faster, lighter and smoother than ever. The Poco F1 aims to help you achieve new levels of greatness regardless of whether you are gaming, working and watching videos. It is for a reason that this new Xiaomi edition is labeled Master of Speed. Enjoy an unbeatable performance on a lower power consumption. Courtesy, the phone's Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 mobile platform. You get Snapdragon's powerful AI engine on advanced flagship 10nm class chip. Work, game or multitask, everything is seamless. This phone coming with the liquid cool technology, full day battery charge, picture perfect shots, AI scene detection, high res front camera, lighter, faster and smoother with the IMUI, IR face unlock, look cloud kill, one phone, two ports, a full screen display. This is the best gaming phone at this price. According to your budget, you can choose these smartphones. If you like this video, hit the like icon. Please share and subscribe.